This is a short video on accounting or financial reporting and analysis questions for your CFA Level 1 exam. First of all, I want to dispel the myth that we need to be accountants to get through this exam. The accountants put the numbers together. They're building up the accounts. We're analysts. We're actually doing the opposite. If you like, we're anti-accountants. We're pulling the numbers apart and uncooking the books. Hence, we need to understand the impact of accounting decisions that are made rather than knowing the detailed rules. I mean, yes, you need to know a lot of the accounting rules. You'll see all that in the slides, in the videos, but you certainly are not looking to become a full accountant if you don't have an accounting background. You need to know the impact of accounting decisions rather than those detailed rules. For example, you need to know how to account for depreciation, but it's more important that you know the impact of the choice between, say, straight line and accelerated. You need to know about management choices regarding, say, bad debt provision and LIFO versus FIFO inventory accounting. But it's more important to know why are management incentivized to make these decisions in the first place. On ratio analysis, this always causes a certain amount of headaches. There are more than 30 odd ratios you need to know about. Do you need to know them off by heart? Well, yes, you do. But the questions that you're likely to see in the exam are going to ask things like, why are they there? So are they measuring liquidity or profitability or the return to a particular type of investor? How are they affected by management choices? For example, your inventory choice of FIFO and LIFO, how does that affect the current ratio? How does it affect the quick ratio, if at all? What factors make them increase or decrease? So you could have a choice of 3 ratios that will say we make this decision, which the following 3 is most likely to go up. And so it's analytical. And then occasionally there could be a question that says, calculate this ratio. So you can see it's much more thinking and analysis rather than actually doing number crunching. Accounting is the equal biggest topic in level 1, not to mention that the accounts are the first source of information for analysts. Anyone studying for the CFA exams needs to have a solid grasp of how accounts work. Off you go, back to those books now.